Welcome. This video covers managing your address book in the Nissan Murano II, 2008 to 2015. This system relies on Bluetooth to sync contacts from your phone to the car's memory. It's an older system, so compatibility and features are limited compared to modern cars. This video will guide you through saving, editing, and deleting contacts. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and it's discoverable. In your Murano, press the Phone button. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Add Phone. Follow the on-screen prompts. The PIN is typically 1234 or 000. Once paired, your phone should sync with the car. If it does not work, reset the Bluetooth connection and try again. Check for any updates on your phone. Once your phone is paired, navigate to the Phone menu, then Phone Book, and select Download Contacts. The system will attempt to transfer your contacts from the phone to the car's memory. This will sync only basic contact information like names and phone numbers. Email addresses and contact photos are not supported. If the syncing process fails, you can try manually adding the contact instead. To manually add a contact, start by navigating to the Phone menu on your Murano's display. From the Phone menu, select Phone Book to access the contacts list. In the Phone Book, select Add Contact to begin entering a new contact. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter the contact's name and phone number. The keyboard lacks predictive text, so accuracy is important when typing. Once you've entered the details, select Save to store the contact. If the contact does not save, consider resetting the system to resolve any issues. To edit a contact, start by navigating to the Phone menu on your Murano's touchscreen. Select the Phone option, then choose Phone Book from the submenu. Once in the Phone Book, scroll through your contacts list and select the specific contact you want to edit. Tap on the contact's name to open their details. After selecting the contact, look for the Edit option on the Contact Details screen. Tap Edit to enter modification mode. In the Edit screen, you can modify the contact's name or phone number using the on-screen keyboard. Make your changes and confirm when done. Important: any edits are saved only to the Murano's internal memory. The changes won't automatically appear on your phone. You'll need to resync your phone book to update the contact on your mobile device. To delete a contact, select it from the phone book list. Press Delete and confirm your choice. To remove all contacts, go to Settings, greater than Phone, greater than Clear Phone Book. Be aware that this will erase all synced data from the car's memory. There is no way to recover erased contacts. If contacts aren't appearing in your Murano's address book, first double-check your Bluetooth connection. Ensure your phone is properly paired and connected. If the system isn't responding properly, try rebooting it by holding the power button for 10 seconds. This can resolve temporary glitches. Compatibility issues may arise with newer smartphones because the Murano uses outdated Bluetooth protocols. In such cases, consider manual entry of contacts or aftermarket solutions. Some owners have reported data corruption in the address book if the car's battery is disconnected. To prevent losing contacts, ensure you have a backup on your phone. The Murano II's address book system has several limitations. The resistive touchscreen is sluggish and can be unresponsive. Searches are alphabetical only, with no advanced search features. There's no cloud backup, so contacts can be lost if the battery is disconnected or data corrupts. The system uses outdated Bluetooth protocols that don't support modern smartphone features. Modern cars offer much better solutions with seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These systems provide real-time contact syncing, voice commands, and advanced features that the Murano system lacks. For Murano II owners seeking an upgrade, aftermarket head units can provide a more modern experience. While the Murano II's address book remains functional, it's becoming increasingly outdated compared to modern automotive technology.